Now let's take a look at how collisions occur. Here we have two stations on a single piece of coax cable. Since there is only one wire, only one station can talk at a time. Both stations will first carrier sense or listen to the wire. Neither one hears anyone communicating, so they both assume that it's okay to send traffic. So both stations start sending their traffic at the same time, and they monitor the wire to detect any other stations. Both stations detect additional traffic on the wire. A collision has occurred, and both stations immediately stop sending traffic. As soon as they stop, each station starts a random timer that lasts only a few milliseconds. Eventually, one timer expires, and that station listens, detects nothing, and then starts sending traffic again. The other station's timer expires, it listens, and detects the first station transmitting, so it waits its turn. This is the basic idea of how Ethernet's CSMA CD operates.